Well, he's loving this.
Get off.
You stay right here. You stay right here.
You might want to get him off.
Aww, you look wonderful. Look at brother.
We'll go real slow.
Real slow. Just hold on and just rock with the horse when the horse rocks. There you go.
Is that okay?
Huh? Look at you. See, that's what you're doing. Mm-hmm. You're scared?
Yeah.
It's okay.
He's way up
I'm
in
sorry
there.
you're scared. Mm-hmm.
It's okay to be scared.
Oh, he's silly.
Wanna get down?
You go play in the dirt, hadn't you? There you go.
That's what he does at the
I knew
baseball
that's
field.
what you're looking for.
More his speed. Watch, don't fall onto the equipment over there. Look, there's very sharp things. Look. See, there's very sharp things in the barn. You have to be careful. Well, he's done it before, the birthday party.
Oh, okay.
This one's never even been next to a horse.
Yeah, but the birthday party was a
After
pony.
he's been around them a couple of times, he'll warm up.
Pony was short to the ground, you know.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Sees other children.
He's going in the dirt.
We learn a lot by watching other people.
Yeah.
She puts her head down. It feels funny. Watch me let her put her head down.
I want to get off now.
Wait,
One
watch,
sec.
What she does? She's eating, huh?
She's hungry.
Stop it.
Let's pull her up, Brenda.
Look. Don't jump. Stay calm around her. Okay?
Now, she's too small.
That's a bigger one.
I can't ride her. I wish I could.
Easy,
What you
easy.
doing there,
You want me
Jessie?
to hold you?
Yeah.
You got the itch, Jessie?
Scratching the itch.
It's going to one.
How about that?
Peekaboo. Rainbow.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, look. Wow.
Put it down now.
Wow.
It's okay.
See?
See, her nose is very soft. Sit up here.
Super rainbow.
Oh,
Fertilizer.
look at her blue eyes.
Yeah.
Isn't she beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
it.
Okay.